Most of us have a problem with overthinking. When you see all these big time influencers, big personalities who are crushing it out there, sometimes you might think, I can never be like that. But to quote Zig Ziglar, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So let's start with reason number one. These are some of the little known reasons, but I'm going to be sharing 10 reasons why you should start your YouTube channel this year. I first learned about these 10 reasons from a guy called Sean Cannell. He's a popular YouTuber and influencer, and I was just so inspired by what I heard from him. So today I would like to share with you my learning, and I hope that you will equally get the same amount of value out of it. Hey, if this is our first time meeting each other, my name is Nelson Chow. It's my passion to help out entrepreneurs just like you and to help others to build your influence with online video. Now on this channel, we do share a lot of tips and strategy, especially those related to passive income and entrepreneurship, just like this one, in order to help you to get that financial, time and location freedom that you are after. I'm super pumped about the video today, so let's get right into it. Most of us have a problem with overthinking. When you see all these big time influencers, big personalities who are crushing it out there, sometimes you might think, I can never be like that. But to quote Zig Ziglar, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So let's start with reason number one. Be a creator, not a consumer. There are way too many consumers as opposed to creators out there. Don't get me wrong, I love to watch a lot of videos myself. Probably in this month alone, I have spent my time to watch hundreds of videos on YouTube. However, there is something powerful about joining the creator community. When you make the switch from being a consumer to being a creator, you start to look at things very differently from others. When you watch videos, you watch it with the mindset of how am I going to be able to add value in a similar way to others? How am I going to be a blessing to my community? And you will start to think of creative ways how you can pump out content out of yourself, right? The mindset switch, is very important because the world today has a great demand for creators, especially those who can put out great contents out there. And let me tell you what, there is this sense of satisfaction that you are going to get when your message, when your lessons actually benefit others in a positive way. When people actually comment and thank you for your contribution, that is when you realize that it is worth it. It is worth all the effort that you put into it. So start to be a creator, not just being a consumer. Reason number two is for the history and the legacy that you create. All right, you do this for remembrance. Okay, your videos are a document of your life. Okay, you can look back to it sometime in the future. It's a place for you to archive your life history and some of the most memorable moments from your life. Now, I know that my wife started to upload and document random funny or cute videos of my two kids, starting from when they were babies. Now, I believe someday, we're going to be looking back at those videos and we're going to be glad that we document them. All right, you might lose your hard drive someday, but if you upload it on YouTube, it will always be there. And when we realize the power of YouTube for that reason, how inspiring and how liberating to know that one day, many years later, we're going to be looking back at those videos that we've created and we realize how much that we have actually grown throughout the years. I mean, one day we're going to have to leave the world. Those videos will still stay there forever though, right? Those are your legacy. I mean, I wish that my parents and my grandparents had created videos of when they were younger and they could somehow share their life experience through the videos that they put on YouTube. But too bad, YouTube and internet didn't exist back then. So those moments were lost forever because they were not caught on videos. And you don't have to repeat the same mistake, right? With the era of technology and internet right now, you don't even need to make the videos public. You can just share those videos among your family members. It's so cool to have an archive of things that actually truly matter to you. Okay, so that is number two, history and legacy. Reason number three is to express your creativity, right? YouTube is a place where you can just have fun and put your message out there. And this is how you are able to express yourself freely. I mean, at the heart of everybody is this need to express ourselves to the world. All right, we all have this side of us where we want to be creative. We want to express ourselves in some way or another. So let me ask you this. What is the one way that you would like to express yourself today? You can do that through YouTube videos. All right, you don't have to stick to any pattern. You don't have to be anyone else. You can just be you. Okay, express your creativity. That's reason number 3. Reason number 4, personal growth. One of the things that have made me grow in life is doing the things that are not comfortable for me in the beginning. Now, starting a YouTube channel is definitely one of them. I have had to develop new skills in order to do this. And like me, you might hit roadblocks along the way. You might have to jump through hoops in order to put your first video out there. However, when you just put yourself out there, when you get out of your comfort zone, there will be like a million micro skills that you're going to learn while you're getting yourself into it. Now, these skills in the future will position you better for your career, your job, and even a future promotion because of all these extra skills that you've learned along the way. Having a better confidence, getting in front of camera is something scary for a lot of us. I have to force myself to be in front of a camera. But there's something about resilience that you're going to learn throughout the process. Because when you are being consistent in committing yourself to creating great videos on YouTube, you develop this character, right? Where you are not going to give up when things get tough. And if not for anything else, do this for the personal growth benefit that it brings with it. Reason number 5, build your portfolio. When you put your knowledge out there, you are actually positioning yourself as someone who's a thought leader. Okay, imagine if, let's say you are an employer and there are 2 job applicants who come up to you. A, just have a regular CV and all this experience and skills and educational background with him. While B, somebody who has everything that A has, but B is somebody who has a solid YouTube channel, somebody who has built an audience around a certain theme or niche. Which one out of the 2 applicants will stand out for you? Of course, it's applicant B. Similarly, your content could be your portfolio when you're applying for a job someday. You can tell your would-be employer, here is my YouTube channel. Here are all the contents that I've been putting out there. And here are the number of followers that I've been able to build. Here's the community that I've been able to build over the years. Okay, and trust me or not, your application will stand out from a sea of applicants. Reason number 6, to be discovered. YouTube is actually not a social media platform, but it is a search engine platform. In fact, after Google, YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine in the world. Now, what do you want to be known for? What topic or expertise or knowledge would you want to be known for? You can be a thought leader by being a YouTuber. Now tell me in the comment below, what would you like to be known for? What would you like to be discovered by the world for? Okay, it is irresponsible not to be on this world's greatest platform and to make yourself or your brand known and heard. Okay, number 7, build a personal brand around your passion. You want to be known and discovered for a certain niche. Imagine if you just consistently put out 1 video every single week for 3 years. If you continue to do that, 52 videos a year. In 3 years, you would have put out 150 videos. That, my friend, will position you in a whole different category by itself. People will start to respect you for that. And you will have built yourself some serious credibility because you are creating a certain personal brand over repetition of a certain message. And that will help you stand out among your peers. That will help you stand out and rise above the noise of the world that we are living in today. Reason number 8, you can actually make money on YouTube. Now, of course, you need to get to 1,000 subscribers in order to qualify and to be able to monetize from YouTube ads. But that's just one way to make money on YouTube. There are many people who make use of various different kind of ways to use YouTube to promote their businesses. There are people who promote their real estate businesses. There are real estate agents who use YouTube in order to get more potential clients. There's this thing called Beachbody on Demand, where you are able to log on to this on-demand service where you will be able to access all this library of home fitness programs, right? And then there are some people who use YouTube channel to generate awareness about their brand and their businesses. The list is endless. There are so many different creative ways how you can make money on YouTube. You can do an affiliate program. You can promote a certain product on YouTube. The list is endless, okay? You can be creative. There are many ways how you can do it. One great way also is to create digital products that you can sell through YouTube. That is also another very lucrative way. We're going to talk about this in future videos. This is another topic for another day. But making money on YouTube is a great reason for getting on YouTube as well. Reason number 9 is make an impact. You can make a significant difference in the world. You can raise awareness over an issue. You can change lives. You can raise money if you need to. And you can change someone's life just by teaching them information that they do not know of before. In the end, it's not about getting subscribers and the likes. Okay, we do want those things, but those things are not the end in itself. They are means to an end, right? With more likes and subscribers, you do get more engagement that will get your message being exposed to more people. But in the end, it is about the impact that you make in the world. And with the income and the influence that you get over YouTube, you can do a lot of good in the world. Reason number 10, create community. Your world gets bigger when you step out and start putting out videos and creating content. Doors will start to open up for you. Okay, this is where you are going to be connected with some of the greatest, most like-minded people on YouTube. People who are attracted to your channel, people who are attracted to your content and your videos are people who think like you, people who are interested in similar topics. You form yourself a community because we all like a certain common topic of interest. So those are the 10 reasons why you should start your YouTube channel this year. So let me ask you this. What is your reason for starting a channel? Please tell me your reason in the comment box below. Tell me, what is your passion? Hey, if you found value in this video, smash the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Write down in the comment below. Don't forget that, why you want to start your own YouTube channel this year. And ring the bell so that you don't miss any of the future videos. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video and we'll talk soon.